Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process of how to build a landing page using MailChimp. So this is the landing page, which we will going to create in this video. This is a landing page for affiliate marketer who wants to generate leads to promote different affiliate products by email marketing and retargeting. So, in this landing page, we are going to give away a free lead magnet in exchange for a name and email address. If you want to increase the conversion rate of your landing page, then we recommend you to give away something for free in exchange for the lead because the people will more likely to sign up. The design of this landing page is pretty simple. And my personal experience says that the design does not matter a lot but the quality that you provide. We are going to create this landing page using MailChimp. And the cool thing with MailChimp is, you can create and publish unlimited landing pages for free. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Alright, so now we have logged into our MailChimp account. And now we will show you the step-by-step process of creating a landing page using MailChimp. So, to create a landing page, we just have to go to the top left on this pen icon where it says Create. Then you have to scroll down and click on this Sign Up form. Then we will choose Sign Up Landing Page option here. Then we have to give our landing page a name. So, we are going to create a Sign Up landing page where we give away a free lead magnet which is a free YouTube SEO course, in exchange for a new lead. So we will name it Free YouTube SEO Course. Then simply click on Begin. And here we have a couple of different templates design. You can choose any template you want. But we will go for a very simple template for our landing page. Because as we said in the beginning, the design does not matter but the quality of your landing page. Having too many things on your landing page may distract your audience to signing up. And don't include any other website or social media link on your landing page, otherwise you can lose your audience. So, we are going to use this very simple Grow Your List template for our landing page. So click on your landing page and it will take you to the landing page builder of MailChimp. So you can see that we have these 4 different blocks on our landing page. We have this default logo that we have already set up on our MailChimp account. Then we have this headline underneath. Then we have this text and the sign up form. So my logo is already set by default. If you also want to add a logo here, then simply click on this Creative Assistant option. Then choose My Logo option on the left side. Here you can see my logo. Now to upload your logo, you have to choose My Files option here. Then you have to upload your logo or other files that you want to include into your landing page. Then click on Upload button. Then visit on this My Logo option. And click on Insert option. And your logo will be inserted into this place. And if you want to delete this logo option from your landing page, then simply click on this pen icon and your logo will be deleted from here. And if you want to add something new to this page, just go to the right side on this blocks field and you can simply drag and drop whatever you want to add in your landing page. So we have dragged in an image. And whenever you want to adjust or manage any block, just click on it and then on the right side, you will see the menu about this specific block. Then you can change the content, the style and also a couple of more settings as well. Here are some other blocks available, you can choose whatever you want to use in your landing page. And that's everything that you need to know to build your landing page. So let's go ahead and create a landing page, just like this. So let's start with adding an image here. To add an image, click on this Browse button. Here you can upload your image that you want to use on your landing page. Then click on Upload. Once the image will be uploaded, just select the image and click Insert to insert it into your landing page. So, we have already uploaded our image that we need. This is just an image that we created using Canva. You can also create an image or a banner for your landing page. And you can promote your lead magnet in that image. Then we have to change our headline. So to change the headline, we have to click here. Then you can type whatever you want to add in your heading here. For example, we will write, "Get a step-by-step course on YouTube SEO for free." Then click on Save and Close. Now we have to add some text here as well. I suggest you to give a strong call to action statement here. For example, you can write, "Just enter your name and email to get access to this course for free." You can also customize your text using these options that are given here. You can change the size of your text. You can change the alignment and other things as well. But we suggest you to make it simple and easy. Now we need to change and customize our sign-up form. So just click here. And you can add all the required fields such as the name, address, phone number and birthday as well. But I always recommend to make your landing page as simple as you can, because that will increase the conversion rate of your landing page. For this landing page, we will ask only for the name and email of our lead, because once we got the name and email of a person, then we can get all the other information later. So we will add the first name field on the sign-up form by clicking here. You can make this field required by just clicking here. You can also move these fields around, but the email address has to be the first field of your landing page, and you cannot change this unfortunately. But it does not matter, we just ask for the email address first. We can also change or edit the style of the text here. We can change the font style. You can select different fonts and find the suitable ones for yourself. We can also use the bold and italic option according to the suitability of our landing page. Now let's move on. Simply scroll down and let's change the button text. You can type whatever you want to display on this button. We will type "Get the bonus now" here. We can also change the button color, text size and font style as well. Simply go to Style and change whatever you want to change here. Just play around and do experiments until you find the best match for your landing page. Once you change the button style, click on Save and Close button. Now we have to create a confirmation message. So just click on the sign up form here, then scroll down. You will see this Send to option here. Now once your visitor filled the sign up form, and then you may want to send them to a confirmation page, or you may want to visit them to a web address. If you want to send them a confirmation message, then simply type your message here. You can also change the fonts and size of the text using these options. Once you completed all these things, then simply click on Save and Close button at the bottom. Now before publishing your page, make sure to recheck everything and finalize your settings. So page title is Free YouTube SEO Course. Here you can see your landing page URL. Then you can preview your landing page by clicking here. So let's preview our landing page. And this is what your landing page looks like in your desktop, and then you can also change it to mobile. So this is what it looks on mobile. So, everything is fine. You can also set up a custom URL of your landing page from here if you want. We will make a separate video on that later. Now, everything is set and fine. And our landing page is ready to get published. So, to publish the landing page, simply click on Publish On. And your landing page is now live. So we can check it out by visiting this link on a new tab. And then see if the landing page is working or not. So just fill an email and a name here. And check if it works or not. As you can see, the landing page is working fine and the confirmation message is also fine. So that's all about how to create and publish a landing page using MailChimp Landing Page Builder. I hope that you really liked this video. If you really like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them. In which topic you want my next video, please tell me in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.